Can you actually make a real side income with crypto, or is it just another internet illusion? Because depending on who you ask, crypto is either the greatest wealth building opportunity of our generation, or a complete waste of time filled with scams, hype, and broken promises. You've probably seen both sides. On one hand, people showing screenshots of massive gains, claiming they turned a few $100s into life-changing money. On the other hand, stories of people losing everything, getting rugged, scammed, or just slowly bleeding money while chasing the next big thing. So, what's the truth? In this video, we're going to break it all down. No hype, no unrealistic promises. We're going to look at what actually works and what doesn't, and how much you can realistically make, and whether crypto is even worth your time in the first place. It's the reality check. Let's start with the truth most people don't want to say out loud. Crypto is not easy money. If it were, everyone would already be rich. The reality is, most people who enter the crypto space either make very little, lose money, or quit before they ever see results. And there are a few big reasons why. First, volatility. Crypto prices don't move like normal assets. They swing hard. You could be up 20% one day and down 30% the next. If you're trying to build a steady side income, that kind of unpredictability makes things difficult. Second, scams. Crypto is still the Wild West. Fake projects, rug pulls, phishing links, people pretending to be experts just to take your money. Billions of dollars have been lost, and not just by beginners. Even experienced investors get caught sometimes. And third, complexity. Wallets, private keys, gas fees, different blockchains, exchanges, protocols. If you're new, it can feel overwhelming fast. One wrong click, and your money is gone for good. No refunds. No customer support. The time versus money trap. Here's something most crypto influencers won't tell you. A lot of side income methods in crypto are not worth your time. And technically, yes, they do pay. But when you break it down, you might be earning a few cents, maybe $1, or sometimes a few dollars a day, but you're spending hours doing it. At that point, it's not passive income. It's just low-paying digital labor. There was a time when play-to-earn games were exploding. People were making hundreds, even thousands, per month. But most of those opportunities didn't last. The rewards dropped. The tokens crashed. And the hype faded. So, if you're thinking you'll just play a game and make easy money, you might want to lower those expectations. What actually works? Now let's talk about what does work. Because despite all the negatives, people are making money in crypto. But they're not doing it the way you might think. 1. Staking, low effort, low reward. Staking is one of the simplest ways to earn. You hold a cryptocurrency and earn rewards over time. Think of it like interest. Depending on the coin, you might earn 3%, 5%, sometimes 10% or more annually. Sounds good, but here's the catch. If the price of the coin drops 30%, that 5% reward doesn't mean much. So staking works best when you already believe in the asset you're holding long-term anyway. As a side income? Realistically, you're looking at maybe $10 to $50 per month for most people starting out. 2. Trading, high risk, high skill. This is where most people think they'll make money. Buying low, selling high. But trading is not as easy as it looks. In fact, most traders lose money. Why? Because trading requires discipline and strategy, emotional control, and most people trade based on fear, hype, social media. If you treat trading like gambling, you'll get gambling results. Some people do make consistent income trading, but it takes time, experience, and a lot of losses along the way. 3. Investing early, the big opportunity. This is where the real money has historically been made. Getting into strong projects early and holding through growth. This is how people made money with early Bitcoin and early Ethereum, early altcoins in past cycles. But here's the truth. It's not easy to pick winners. For every project that succeeds, hundreds fail. So this strategy works best if you diversify, you do real research, you don't go all in on hype. 4. Content and AMP. Community, the underrated path. This is one most people overlook. Instead of trying to earn from crypto, you earn around crypto. Starting a YouTube channel, a TikTok page, a Twitter, X account, a newsletter, if you can. Educate, entertain, or simplify crypto for others. You can build an audience, and that audience can turn into income through ads, sponsorship, affiliate links, ironically. This is often more consistent than trying to earn directly through crypto itself. Realistic earnings. Let's get real about numbers. If you're just starting out, here's what you can realistically expect. Staking, $10 to $50 per month. Faucets and AMP. Small tasks, $1 to $20 per month. Casual play to earn $20 to $100 per month. Serious effort, games, trading, flipping, $100 to $500 per month. Anything beyond that usually requires significant capital, advanced knowledge, or a lot of time. And there are exceptions. Some people make thousands per month, but they're not the majority. They're the highlight reels you see online. The biggest mistake is if you want to actually make money in crypto. Avoid these mistakes. 1. Chasing hype. If everyone is talking about it, you're probably late. 2. Investing money you can't afford to lose. This is how people panic and sell at the worst time. 3. Ignoring security. 1 bad link. 1 fake site. And it's over. 4. Expecting quick results. Crypto rewards patience more than speed. 5. Not understanding what you're investing in. And if you can't explain it, you probably shouldn't buy it. Is it worth it? So, is crypto side income worth it? The honest answer? It depends. If your goal is quick, easy money, right pointing arrow. No. Oh, it's probably not worth it. If your goal is learning, long-term growth, and building skills, then yes, it can be worth it. Crypto is less about side income and more about positioning yourself early in a growing industry. The money comes later, but only if you stay consistent and stay cautious and keep learning. At the end of the day, crypto isn't a guaranteed paycheck. It's an opportunity. And like any opportunity, it rewards the people who approach it the right way. So go in with your eyes open. Start small. Stay smart. And don't fall for the hype. Because the people who win in crypto aren't the ones chasing quick money. They're the ones playing the long game. If you've tried making money with crypto, drop your experience in the comments. What worked? What didn't? And if you want more real, no hype content like this, make sure you subscribe. Because we're just getting started. Thank you and subscribe now.